Greetings! Today we are making zucchini fritters. Ingredients: 1 zucchini, 2 potatoes, 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 eggs, and for our optional garnish, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 bunch of dill, 5 medium oyster mushrooms. You can use whole zucchini, but cut in pieces are more easy to grater. Okay, now we are ready to grate zucchini. For this recipe, it is better to grate zucchini coarsely. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix everything. Washed mushrooms, we need 5 to 7 middle oyster mushrooms, but you can take any mushrooms you like. Cut the mushrooms into small pieces. Wash bell pepper. We need 1 middle bell pepper. Wash dill. We need 1 small bunch. Finely chop the dill. Wash spring onion. We need 1 small bunch. Finely chop the spring onion. Wash potatoes. We need 2 to 3 medium potatoes. Grate potatoes on a coarse grater. Peel the onion. We need 1 medium onion. Grate onion on a coarse grater. Remove all water from grated zucchini and potatoes. Mix all ingredients together. Add 2 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper mix. Add 2 tablespoons of semolina. You can skip this step and add more flour. Mix everything. Add all of the greens we chopped before. Add 4 tablespoons of flour so that the mixture is more convenient for forming pancakes. Heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Put our mixture on the pan, forming pancake shapes. Fry over low heat for 3 minutes on each side until crispy on the sides. In another pan, we begin to make our side dish for zucchini. Heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add chopped mushrooms into the pan. Cut an onion into small pieces and add it to the pan. Add bell pepper we chopped before. Grate 1 carrot on a fine grater. Add it to the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon dried garlic to taste. Add 50 to 100 milliliters of water. Simmer it for 10 minutes. Put our side dish on the zucchini. This dish is so delicious that I always eat a second serving. Add sour cream to taste. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. This means a lot to me. Our dish is very tender on the inside and crispy on the outside.